I got interested in robotics because it combines a lot of the really cool aspects of engineering. You're getting to see some of that software, you're getting to work with more of that hardware side and the wiring, and then you're also getting to see the mechanical components.
I think that's a very rewarding feeling, being able to work on the whole robot and the whole process rather than just simple sub-assembly and components.
NDSU is a really great place to go for someone in robotics because they have a brand new degree, brand new program with lots of new resources to help encourage you and strengthen your knowledge on the robotics aspect. They also have great student organizations that can help extend your learning beyond the classroom.
It's a big enough campus where there's a lot of resources, but it's not too big where you're not competing against too many people to use those resources. Professors are often, really enthusiastic about trying to help you out and helping you succeed.
The world is continuing to move towards automation, and there's more and more need for robotics in the manufacturing industry. So being able to learn about that at the school level and get a robotics degree is going to be ever more important moving into the future.
NDSU is the perfect place for me because of the community, the resources, the faculty, which are all here to support me in pursuing my goals and interests.
They've given me lifelong experiences that I would not have been able to get at any other university.
I think if you're a person who likes to tinker or work with your hands, robotics is just the perfect major for you.